Hello viewers, hope you are getting well. Today I came with a new video. Pairs of words. You can say confusing words because you often getting confused with such words. If you are getting such, this video is for you. So this is Umarana Mahapatra. Welcome you back to my channel to get the concept clear. If you find this video informative and helpful and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Do not forget to like, comment, share my videos. Let's get going to the concept. Human, man, woman or child. Okay, human being. Human means human being. Human, kind-hearted. He is a human. Okay, he is a human, kind-hearted. One adjective. Human, one noun. Okay, then president. Here SI, Z sound comes. Here CE, S sound comes. President, head of republic, a person in charge of a meeting. Mr. Ramnath Kovind is the president of India. Mrs. Agarwal is the president of today's meeting. This president is one noun and president related to the word preside. Preside is one verb to control the meeting. Then precedent, something that precedes or comes before. That word related to the word precede, which comes before that precede. Okay, politicians set their precedent for their election before preparation. Precedent, right? Another easy example, 5 is the precedent of 6. 8 is the precedent of 9. Principal. Difference is that principal PAL, in second principal PLE. Principal PRINCIPAL, most important, headman or woman. Being educated is the principal part of our life. Principal here, most important part of our life. Mr. Sharma is the principal of our school, head person, right? Then principle, PLE, a law and fact of nature. Rotation of day and night is the principle of nature. Rotation of season is the principle of nature. Honesty is the best policy, is one of my principle. Then propose, put forward for consideration of a marriage. Another purpose, to do something intentionally. First propose, put forward for consideration of a marriage. He proposed me to be the principal in his organization. Okay, he proposed me to be the principal in his organization. He proposed her to marry him. Then purpose, to do something intentionally. It was my purpose to be a good teacher. What he said, she started crying, but it was not his purpose to make her cry. Fourth, FOURTH, fourth means next after third. First, second, third, fourth. After third, what comes? That is fourth position. Then fourth, out and away from a starting point, that is fourth. He got off at done and travelled forth. He went forth with his documents. Then expand, 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 EXPAND expand, 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 right? Then to increase in extent, to write out in full, that is expand. To increase in size, to increase in length, that is expand. The kings were expanding their territory. Metals expand on heating. You have listened in math, write in expanded form. What is it? 56, write the number in expanded form. What is it? 50 plus 6, write in full. Okay, that is expand. Then expend, spend money, spend time. It is not good to expend money unnecessarily. Okay, then another expend, it was a fabulous day yesterday because I expended whole day with my old friends. I hope you got my point. If you have any doubt, you can ask question in the comment section. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.